Good morning, guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. My duty today starts at 8 o'clock. That is something new. Yeah, that is how beautiful it is today. There was a rain last night, but as you can see, it is still wet. But look at that, this is really beautiful. This is an unusual schedule because normally when I'm on breakfast, it starts at 6 o'clock and finish at 2. But today, I start at 8 and will be finished at 4. It is because the new guy is now capable of doing the breakfast stuff. So it's like I am a trainer. I remember when I was working in the French baker in the Philippines. Yeah, I was also a trainer because I am the permanent one. I am the regular one at the French baker. So when I get to work today, I will be just doing the mise en place for tomorrow, and then we'll do the preparation for the lunch. We'll do the service for lunch, and then I'm going home at 4 o'clock. I've shown already to the new guy all the tricks and the best way to in the breakfast preparation, especially to make the food really delicious. Also the mushroom, sauté mushroom. Yeah, I would say that my mushroom is better than the mushroom that I've tasted and that I've seen in every hotel that I've been. Some of the chefs, they just cook the mushroom in a big pot, and it's like steaming, like boiling, and when you eat it, it's not really the best one. I mean, I'm not satisfied. Yo, good afternoon, guys. It is now actually 4 o'clock, as you can see. Yeah. Yeah, we're going outside today. I was about to go, and then I realized that I need to clean the floor, and that is what I am doing now. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of dust in here, and then I use the vacuum cleaner. I am actually day off today, but I was awake as early as 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I am so used to be working in the breakfast, and by the time I wake up, I started to sit in the computer and editing the video. That Tagalog video took me like more than 8 hours of video editing. Yeah, because I need to capture some footage from the old videos that I upload from the other channel. It is windy this time. You can see that from the water. Yeah, a lot of people, no, not a lot, but there are people walking around. And you see that couple, they are drinking alcoholic beverages. A lot of people are doing that thing. We are now here in the Alberta Marina. We're still walking here, and I've seen a lot of very small fish down in the water. I still have my coffee here. When I left the house, I mean, our lunch was like 3 kinds of leftover food. Rafael reheat all those 3 leftover food, and yeah, actually one of them is like, I asked him, is this one still good, because the last time I tried to reheat that, but I was a little worried that it may be already spoiled, so I put it back in the fridge. And yeah, this afternoon Rafael reheat it, and he said it's still good. And that's what I eat for lunch. Look at that. If you can see that, that is the aquatic bird. Awesome. Oh, it's good because you know all the he can see the small fish, but he's not eating it. So you know the bird is also good bird. And we are now here. Yeah, less people are here today. They are just relaxing, and some people are actually fishing on that side, and there are people sunbathing in there. Yeah, I was just sitting there maybe 1 hour already. Yeah, people keep on coming, relaxing, enjoying the afternoon. Oh, it's discounted today. Regular price is $9.40, now just $7. And we are going to take this one, $1.40, 250 grams. They have this one, 100 grams, just 70. And actually, they have so many noodles in here, even instant. They are there. And I'm also going to take a toilet cleaner because this morning I cleaned the toilet and I finished everything. I don't know which brand because I forgot the one that I have at home. So maybe this one? No, it's a glass cleaner. Where is the toilet one? They have this Ajax, $3. Should I take this one or this one? Bath shower cleaner. Yeah, this one looks good, so I'm going to take this. Okay, this time we are going to put some drama in our toilet. We're going to take one of these. This is just $2.50. Yo! But whenever I come here in this grocery, I always come in this side because I am looking for rice scooper. They don't have any in here. Yo, the time now is maybe 7 o'clock. Yeah, very quiet already. Good morning, guys. It is now 8 o'clock. Yeah, Rafael is still sleeping. My duty today is 2 o'clock, so I still have a lot of time. Yeah, Rafael cooked this last night. We called it tinolang manok. A chicken soup, something. Basically, it comes with the papaya, raw papaya, green papaya, spinach, and chicken, and ginger. But you know, I miss eating egg, so I'm going to cook fried egg. What's that? Copper's Brewery. Sparkling ale. Oh, sparkling ale. Maybe it's not beer. Milk. I think this is just ordinary water. I don't like this. I don't like this. I think it's coming from Inigo. The last time he came here, he brought this here. I don't like. Yeah, I'm going to just fried egg and tomato. Yo, good afternoon, guys. It is now that 1:07 and we are going to work now. Oh, that trip made me sweat a little bit, you know, because it's really hot outside. I mean, under the unshaded area, but here is okay, not really hot, but you somehow feel the humidity. And if you notice the wind, very strong wind at the moment. You notice that in the water. Look at that, how fast the water's moving. So much wave in there. I just have my coffee here. I still have 30 minutes before my duty starts. There are many birds up there. They are hiding from the very strong wind. Good morning, guys. It is now almost 8 o'clock. This is my uniform yesterday. I'm actually preparing my breakfast. Yeah, I'm just going to take some of this. This is a tinola, like a chicken soup with ginger and papaya, green papaya. Yeah, I'll just take some and then I'll put in the microwave. Last night, what we eat last night is this one, but I'm going to leave it for Rafael because I didn't see him eat this last night. My duty today is 12 o'clock. It's still 1, 2, 3, 4 hours.